All right, everyone, we are going to look at AI tech here. So AI tech is sitting on this support level. You can see it's been bouncing along here for a while. This is the 3-day chart here. So 16 is your price to watch. If you can hold 16, you're potentially going to hold this uptrend here, and you have a shot at getting back over 20. Once we get back over 20, getting back over the macro 236 here, then we can officially be bullish again once we get back over that 20-cent price. Now, technically, we could take out 16 here and the uptrend and come down to the 382, dropping about 27% down to 12, and going from the low to the high over the 382. We're still considered bullish to continue higher at some point. Now, also what we can do here, if we take out 16, we could kind of push the narrative here and pull this trend line down all the way down here to where you can see it's bouncing down here, and that could kind of show us that potentially the price of this thing may end up chopping around for a while. If we take out 16 and then that 12 area, we may end up doing this for a while to where we end up coming down and then finally hitting that trend line, and then that's the point where we start going back up. That could be the case also, so just keep those prices in mind here on AI tech here. So any lower than 16, look for a 27% drop down to 12. And if you get a bounce off of this level and that potential uptrend, then 20 is going to be your price to beat. Once you get back over 20, that is a 23% move. That's when you got that momentum coming back, and it will probably end up pushing higher here. Now, going from today, how high is this thing going to go? It's fairly new, so going from the high here to the low, we can simply look at the couple of targets here. We have the 2618, the 3618, and then the 4236, the top of the Fibonacci. So if this thing comes all the way to the top of the Fib from today, of course that will change if you come down more. You're looking at right now about a 40x up to $7, which I've seen these newer coins and tokens retrace that far all the way up to the top, and then that's where they get stuck and come back down. So you could be looking at a 40x out of AI tech here. Now, to be a little more conservative, we do have the 3618 at about 270, and that would give you about a 15x on AI tech here. So what are your thoughts on this one? None of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.